how to change country in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any VPN. Then VPN simply connect to the country you want your CapCut to be changed in. Simply after it's connected to VPN, simply open CapCut. You'll have to log in again. Simply log into your account using your TikTok, Google, phone, email, or Facebook. After you log in, the VPN you're using automatically changes your country in CapCut as well. And this is how to change country in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.